Tutorial 8, Finding Credible Sources, Who Owns the Information? Now that you can build a smart search, the next step is making sure the information you find is credible. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to spot strong, reliable sources by asking who owns the information. Part 1, Why Ownership Matters. Every piece of information you find online was created by someone, and often for a reason. It's important to ask who collected this data, why did they publish it, and who is the intended audience. For example, data about health trends from a government agency like the CDC is very different from a blog post written by a marketing company. Part 2, Understanding Types of Information Owners. Think about major groups that typically produce information: government agencies, universities and research centers, nonprofit organizations, industry associations and trade publications, commercial businesses and media outlets. Each of these have different goals and sometimes different biases. Knowing who owns the information helps you evaluate how much trust to place in them and the possible inherited biases. Part 3, First step in evaluating sources. When you scan a website, ask yourself, is the organization reputable? Are they transparent about where the data comes from? And do they have an agenda you should be aware of? These simple questions help you quickly sort credible insights from questionable claims. Next, we'll learn how to aim your searches directly at the most trusted organizations using Google's powerful domain and URL filters.